Hello, little heroes. Welcome back to our show. Today, we are opening a magical treasure box. No, not filled with gold. It's filled with first aid goodies that help us when we get a boo boo. Every house must have a first aid box. Let's learn the names of the essential things that must be kept in any first aid box. Are you ready? Let's go! What's inside a first aid box? The first one is ice pack. Oh, what's this cold squeezy thing? It's an ice pack. When you bump your head or knee, this chilly buddy helps stop the swelling. Like a mini snowman giving you a gentle hug. The second item is ointment. What's this little tube? This is ointment. It's a special cream we put on cuts and scrape to help them heal faster. It's like a superhero lotion fighting germs. Say bye-bye to germs. The third one is medicines. And here we have some tiny pills or syrup. These are medicines. They help us feeling better when we have a fever or a tummy ache. But remember, only a grown-up should give us these. The fourth one is gloves. Look at these fancy rubber gloves. Doctors and helpers wear these gloves to keep their hands clean and safe. The fifth item is cotton. Ooh, so soft. Is this a baby cloud? Nope, it's cotton. We use it to clean wounds gently. It's like a fluffy helper that says, there, all better. The sixth one is hand sanitizer. Oh, what's that smell? It's hand sanitizer. It keeps our hands super clean when we can't find soap and water. Say bye-bye to germs. The seventh one is gauze pad. This one looks like a tiny soft napkin. This is a gauze pad. We place it on cuts to protect them and stop the bleeding, like a gentle shield for our skin. The eighth one is bandages. These are like little blankets for your boo-boos. Got a small cut or a scratch? Just stick one on and you are all set. Next we have thermometer. Woohoo, feeling warm? Check your temperature with a thermometer. It tells us if we have a fever and need extra rest. Next we have scissor. Look, a small pair of scissors. These are for cutting bandages or tape. So be careful, only adults should use these. Next we have antiseptic wipes. They help clean your wounds and keep away the bad germs. And next we have medical tape. This sticky medical tape helps bandages stay in place. It's like glue but for healing. Let's recap what we found in our first aid box. Ice pack, ointment, medicines, gloves, cotton, hand sanitizer, gauze pads, bandages, thermometer, scissor, antiseptic wipes and medical tape. That's our first aid box full of caring and clever tools. Remember kids, stay safe, stay happy and always call a grown-up if someone gets hurt. First aid is just the first step to feeling better. See you next time, little helpers. Don't forget to like, share and say I am a safety star. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.